Hi, I'm Julie Gottwald. I'm one of the sales counselors here at Willow Valley Communities. Right now, I am in the Prescott model, which is a one-bedroom apartment. Every unit at Willow Valley comes with granite countertops and stainless steel appliances. And in the kitchens, typically it comes with hardwood floors. Now we're in the living room of the Prescott model. You can see you can bring wonderful furniture with you from home, and it's really great when people bring extra different types of cabinets for more storage too. In all of our one-bedroom apartments at Willow Valley, the living room comes with a hardwood floor, and the hardwood floor would of course match the kitchen flooring, so it's really fun. We are in the bedroom now. All of the bedrooms come with carpet as a standard, and this bedroom is adequate space for a king-size bed or a queen-size bed, and you can certainly bring one or two dressers with you that would fit really well in this room. Also, right off the bedroom is a wonderful closet, and then also your washer and dryer comes standard as well. And then again, right off the bedroom is your bathroom, and it comes standard with a tiled walk-in shower with a glass door enclosure.